In the last session, we talked about multiple facilities and the architecture for that. And we had our analysis database up here in Ohio and plants in California and New York. And one of the problems with that last option was that if we lost this wide area connection, that we lost some of the functionality down here. So we could no longer view a control chart because that data came from the analysis database down to that control chart. And some other functionality we lose is like automatic rule evaluation anytime sample data is taken, or scheduling of samples and knowing they're overdue and things like that. So how this is solved is we have another database down here, and that could be all the same database. If you're using MySQL or Microsoft SQL Server or Oracle, they don't have to be two separate instances. That could just all be the same one, and all the tables are put in there. But this is kind of a secondary analysis database, and we set up the same thing over here. So now we can write data anytime we take samples. We can write data to this analysis database, and we can write data to that analysis database. So if we're over here and we want to see a control chart, it actually comes from here. And if same thing here, it comes from here to our control chart. If we want to view a control chart here, it comes from here. So when sample data is recorded, it goes to here and it mirrors it out to here as well. So we get kind of the best of both worlds. If we lose this wide area connection, this is fully functioning. We can still view our control charts. We can still evaluate rules automatically when sample data is taken. It's the most robust method of doing it. But then it also supports your enterprise level where you can view SPC data across California and New York combined, or even 30 different facilities or what have you. So this is the most robust option for multi-facility architecture.